Today I will show you how to turn off Copilot completely from your Windows using the Microsoft official built-in settings. There are a lot of hacks over the internet that shows deleting system files or running the script to remove or turn off Copilot from your Windows 11. Don't do that. Please note that the methods we will see in this video all are reversible. If you just want to hide the icon from your taskbar, just go ahead and type Copilot in the Start menu, right-click over it, and you have an option Unpin from taskbar. The second quick option is that if you go to Copilot, right-click over it, and you will find the option Unpin from taskbar. So this option isn't enough for many of us. We want to make sure that Copilot service isn't popping up anywhere else. Just go to your search bar and type Run. Open up the Run dialog box, and here we want to type gpedit.msc and click on OK. This will open the group policy MMC. If you are on Windows Home Edition, you will not see Group Policy Management Console there. Now, under User Configuration, please navigate to Administrative Templates and then navigate to Windows Component. And here we want to find Windows Copilot. Double click on the Windows Copilot and then again double click on Turn off Windows Copilot. Now here pay attention. To disable Copilot, we have to actually enable this feature from here. This will turn off Copilot. Once you enable it, just go ahead and click Apply and then OK. In the next step, close everything and restart your PC. And once your PC will be restarted, Copilot get disabled officially at the system level. Please note that you could revert these settings whenever you want. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.